Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by granting permission. This is the first actionable step. Open Settings, then Privacy or Apps depending on your OS, and locate the Screen Recorder app. Tap Permissions, enable microphone, and accept the system prompt when it asks for access. Once done, make sure the toggle shows Enabled. This lets the recorder capture audio. You do this now because without microphone permission, the app can record visuals only. Granting access prepares the recorder to capture system or external sound when you begin. Next, choose and configure the audio input so recordings sound right. Open the screen recorder and select microphone, system audio, or both. Pick microphone for external voice. Then set input level or gain. Lower it if clipping occurs, raise it if too quiet. Record a quick 5-10 second clip to verify levels and content, and enable features like high-quality audio or echo cancellation when offered. This step ensures the microphone captures clear sound and prevents surprises in your final recording. Now begin your recording and monitor audio cues as you go. Tap record, speak at a consistent distance, and watch meters or indicators. If levels are silent, stop and recheck the chosen input. After stopping, play back the clip to confirm audio quality. If you hear noise or low volume, adjust gain, enable noise suppression, or move the mic closer. If there is no microphone audio at all, revisit app permissions, force close the recorder, or reboot the device. These fixes resolve most permission and driver hiccups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.